sklearn, neighbors, kneighbors transformer. Description. The kneighbors transformer class in scikit-learn sklearn is a transformer that uses knearest neighbors knn to transform data. It leverages the idea that similar data points tend to be close to each other in a multi-dimensional space. The transformer can be used for dimensionality reduction, feature extraction, and imputation of missing values. Inputs. X. The input data, typically a NumPy array or pandas data frame containing numerical features. N. Neighbors. The number of nearest neighbors to consider for each data point. This parameter controls the locality of the transformation. Outputs. Transformed X. The transformed data, which has the same number of rows as the input data but a potentially different number of columns. The transformed features are based on the distances to the nearest neighbors. Steps. For each data point in the input data, identify its nearest neighbors based on a distance metric, e.g. Euclidean distance. Calculate a new set of features for each data point based on the distances to its nearest neighbors. The specific transformation depends on the chosen method. Distance. The distances to the nearest neighbors are used directly as features. Mean. The average of the features of the nearest neighbors is used as the transformed feature. Median. The median of the features of the nearest neighbors is used as the transformed feature. Max. The maximum of the features of the nearest neighbors is used as the transformed feature. Min. The minimum of the features of the nearest neighbors is used as the transformed feature. Metrics. No specific metrics are inherent to the neighbors transformer itself. However, you can evaluate the effectiveness of the transformation based on the performance of subsequent machine learning models, e.g. classifiers, regressors that use the transformed data. Visualization plots. Scatter plots visualize the transformed data points in a reduced dimensionality space if the number of features is small enough. You can use different colors to represent different classes or labels in a supervised setting. Heat maps. If the transformed features are distances, you can create heat maps to visualize the distance relationships between data points. Fine-tune parameters. N neighbors. The number of neighbors to consider. Increasing this parameter can make the transformation more robust but can also introduce bias if the data is not uniformly distributed. Weights. The weighing scheme for the neighbors. By default, all neighbors have equal weight uniform. You can use distance to give more weight to closer neighbors, which can be useful for non-uniform data. Metric. The distance metric to use for finding nearest neighbors. Options include Euclidean default, Manhattan, cosine, Minkowski algorithm. The algorithm used to find the nearest neighbors. Options include brute default, ball tree, KD tree, auto, leaf size. The size of the leaves in the ball tree or KD tree. Smaller values can lead to faster queries but can also increase memory usage. Uncertainty methods. No inherent uncertainty methods are provided by kneighbors transformer. You can use external methods like confidence intervals or Bayesian inference to estimate the uncertainty in the transformed features. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Curse of dimensionality in high-dimensional spaces. The distances between data points become less meaningful and the effectiveness of KNN can decrease. This can result in inaccurate transformations. Sample use case. Transforming data with hundreds or thousands of features using a standard KNN method might lead to poor results. Fixes. Dimensionality reduction techniques. Use techniques like PCA or TSNE to reduce the number of features before applying kneighbors transformer. Feature selection. Select the most relevant features for the task at hand before transformation. Challenge 2. Data imbalance. If the data is imbalanced, the nearest neighbors of data points in the minority class may be dominated by points from the majority class, leading to biased transformations. Sample use case. Using k-neighbors transformer on data with a large class imbalance might lead to overfitting to the majority class and poor performance on the minority class. Fixes. Oversampling. Increase the number of data points in the minority class using techniques like SMORT. Undersampling. Reduce the number of data points in the majority class using techniques like random undersampling or Tomek links. Weighted KNN. Use weighted KNN methods that give more weight to neighbors from the minority class.